Hey team, welcome to this tutorial. The purpose of this tutorial is to explain how to change your font, your default font inside Microsoft Outlook. I'm going to take my mouse, I'm going to scoot all the way over here to where it says File. I'm going to click one time where it says File. After I click one time where it says File, I'm going to scoot over here where it says Options. And then when I'm inside this area, I'm going to click on Mail right here because the default is specific to mail that I'm going to send. And then once I've had a chance to click here, I'm going to scoot over here to where it says Stationery and Fonts. And then I'm going to click one time. And then in this region is where you would make any adjustments to the outgoing font style that you have on mail that you send inside Microsoft Outlook. So this is a new mail message, and then you can click on font. You can scoot up and down to find the specific font style that you would like, and then whatever you choose, you'll have a preview down here. So if you choose this alternative font and you want it in bold and you wanted a 12-point font, then you'll have a chance to see what that looks like. If you're not a fan of that one, then you can choose a different one with a different style and a different size. Once you have chosen the font style, and the size, go ahead and click OK. And if you change your mind and you don't want any of those changes, simply click cancel. You also have default mail settings for replying or forwarding. So feel free to click on that one and then make adjustments as you see fit over here as well. Once you have made any and all adjustments that you are satisfied with, go ahead and click the OK button. And then the next time that you generate a brand new email, you will see how those settings will take effect. Team, thanks so much for watching and have a great day.